Building prompts and logic for task automation. Ever sent an email and a reply from ChatGPT that sounded robotic or just off? Tools? You have got the workflow, but without the right prompts, your AI employee will either sound too generic or worse, confuse your leads. Most people don't know how to talk to AI effectively. They use short or vague prompts like write a follow-up email and expect magic. The result: poor engagement, low conversions, and a system that does not feel human. When you learn how to write clear, goal driven, contextual prompts, you unlock the full power of AI. Your AI employee becomes a smart communicator, handling objections, booking calls, writing like you, and building trust with every message. So let's break it down. You learn how to write prompts that are specific, context aware, goal focused, and flexible for AI to handle variations. In step one, you define the task. What exactly do I want the AI to do? For example, send a friendly welcome message, or maybe write a follow-up email for a missed call, or respond to an FAQ about pricing, or recommend the next step to a lead. So once you define the task, you use this prompt formula. Act as the role based on the context, write the tone, output type, that, goal. For an example, act as a customer success agent. Based on a new client signing up for my program, write a friendly email that congratulates them and includes a next step to book their onboarding call. That's your complete or an entire formula for the prompt. In step 3, you add the logic with conditional flows. Use Go High Level to trigger specific prompts based on lead source, tags applied, stage in the pipeline, and responses. Set if-else branches that change the prompt depending on user input. Now this makes the AI feel more dynamic and personal. Prompt back included in your toolkit. So we have provided 20 plus plug and play prompts inside the AI prompt library to help you get started with sales replies, email follows, onboarding steps, upsell suggestions, and testimonial requests. Well, here's the truth. Your AI employee is only as smart as the instructions you give it. Prompts are not just text. They are commands, and when written well, they unlock the full power of automation with a human touch. So here is what to do next. Download the prompt library in the resources tab. Customize 2 to 3 prompts for your business right now. And ask yourself, what's the one message I always repeat that I can now automate with AI? Let's make your AI sound like you and start scaling your conversations without losing your personal touch.